Hello, the date is the 18th of February 2020. I'm not sure what the time is, but that is Venus, and that is extremely bright. Look, that's not normal. That is right over the top. Well, it's near Birchwood Kingdom Hall, Jehovah's Witnesses, where I used to attend before I got disfellowshipped. So I think this is a definite warning sign to Watchtower that soon Jehovah is going to destroy them, because that brightness is not even normal. It's very strange. I am the Son of God, Christ the Messiah, the second coming, and I'm Elijah the prophet of Malachi chapter 4 verse 5 and the messenger of Malachi chapter 3, and soon the cleansing of Jehovah's temple will take place in April, on April the 7th, when Jehovah will destroy the Watchtower through things like this, supernatural events. I mean, that is extremely bright for Venus. Trish, my friend, just called me out and says, look at the star, and that is well bright. I mean, that's, to me, that doesn't look quite normal to me, but I reckon that could be a sign from Jehovah, because things have been happening today again. I don't know where that's gone now. Ah, there we go. Things have been going missing, like Trish's keys have gone under the microwave. Things are definitely... Oh, look at that. Is that normal? Gone smaller now. That's on 200 zoom. Venus is acting very strange. That's in the west, so that is in the direction of the North Icon congregation, and that is definitely a supernatural event that you can see there without a doubt. That definitely doesn't look right to me. I think that's a branch going over it, to be honest. Let's slightly move the camera. There we go. I mean, that is extremely bright. Venus. It is Venus because I've checked on my sky map, and that is... I think I'm just moving around with my camera. It's not very stable when it zooms in like this. Where is it? So you can zoom back in again. Yep, I think this is definitely a sign from Jehovah that Watchtower is going to fall on the 7th of April 2020, which is the memorial night of Jehovah's Witnesses, and that is in the direction of the North Icon congregation, and I expect miracles to happen on this day in the heavens like they are now, and miracles within the kingdom halls of Jehovah's Witnesses. But as you can see, that's gone dull now, that it's not as bright. So that is definitely something supernatural going on. Yeah, it's definitely lost its brightness now. Look at that. It's nowhere near as bright as it was. So if anybody can explain that phenomena, that is a supernatural event by Jehovah God. I'm absolutely convinced of it. It's probably about 8 o'clock now. Seems to be changing shape now. Oh my goodness. Trying to keep the camera steady. That's very odd. That's pulsating, look, and changing shape. Oh my goodness. If that's not supernatural, then I don't know what is. But this is a sign from Jehovah that I am the Son of God, Christ the Messiah, the second coming, and I have all the evidence to prove it here at home. hundreds and thousands of pieces of evidence, including the Bible Code Millennium software, which proves exactly who I am. So I'd like to hear your comments on this video and tell me what you think of this, because I'm always catching supernatural events on camera, and I mean, as you can see, that's not as bright as it was. So why is it bright one minute and then dull the next, and now it's like changing shape, morphing? That looks like it's definitely morphing, that star. I mean, that is the planet Venus, which is of course, Venus is to do with the God of love, which is Jehovah God. Jehovah is the God of love. But Trish called me out, and I just knew there was going to be something with this star. But that definitely isn't normal to me. Yeah, look at that. That's real. I'm trying to keep it steady. That's morphing, isn't it? I mean, my camera's still now, so I don't know what was causing the star to move about, or whether it was my camera, but it's perfectly still now. I'm holding it the same way. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. This is going up on Facebook and YouTube immediately. And I don't know what my enemies on Facebook are gonna make of this, because this is not normal. Look at that. Look, it seems to be moving. That's really strange. What is going on with this Venus? I mean, when I came, Trish called me outside to have a look at Venus and says, "Oh, look at the star over there," and I noticed straight away it was extremely bright. It wasn't normal to me. So yeah, this is really good now. I don't want to stop my camera. Let's zoom back out again. Look, you can see how bright it is. That is definitely Venus, because I've checked on my sky map on my app, and that is Venus, but it's not as bright as it was a minute ago when I first started recording it. Look at that. I think it might be my camera moving, the stabilisation, rather than the stars moving. But yeah, well, I've had supernatural like this before. I mean, I've had stars in the sky doing strange things on Alnath, a star on the anniversary of the 70th anniversary of Israel's becoming a nation on the 14th of May 2018, and I've got that recorded like this one. But this is I've never had this one like this before. This is an amazing planet, or a star. Why has it gone big? I don't know where it's gone now. Ah, the zoom's packed in on my camera. There we go. That's 200 zoom. My camera won't zoom out. Something's happened to my camera. It refuses to zoom out now. I can't get it on camera. My zoom's packed in. Supernatural, no doubt. Can't use it. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Bye for now.